I can't wait to show you this large home on 2 lots. With lots of trees, lots of privacy and lots of quiet. There are 2 master bedrooms, plus 2 additional bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, dining room, and laundry room. There is a huge family game room that will be the heart of the home. Lots of room inside and outside for your family. Call and make your appointment to view this home today.